Hi everyone, I'm gonna show you today how to replace the cabin air filter. It's very easy steps, all same proceed on Hyundai Elentra, Hyundai Sonata, and Kia Rio. Most Hyundai and Kia makes are very easy. 3 to 4 steps to do it. It's very easy, not hard. It takes less than 5 to 10 minutes. And you start with opening the glove box. It's the air filter behind the glove box. Of course, empty the glove box from everything. Release the shocks. See it? It's the shock for the, when you open it to slow it down. Just by pushing both sides. Both sides, you release the shock. There you go. This was released. Now you go to those stopper. They stop the box from falling down. Just roll it like you opening wide. The other side too. Open it. It's open now. There you go. You see it? The air filter right there in that box. There is two pushing. Push both sides. This one, push it. Push this. This is the cover for the filter. You see the filter right there. Pull the old one and make sure you look into the airflow error. You see here? The airflow showing and going down. Take it out. Bring the new one. Open it up. There you go. That's very clean. It's a new. And this the airflow is down. It has to be gone down. So you go and you just make sure is the correct size. If it's not correct size, it's gonna give you a hard time get in. Okay, and push from both corner. 1, 2, same, all the way. Don't push from the bottom. You're gonna break it like the old one. Just from the corner. Here, it's all the way in. Okay. Bring the cover. Put the cover back. There you go. 1, 2. It's locked. Make sure it's locked. It's not loose. And you just go here. Put the stopper. First one. Here, turn it back until you hear clicking. The other side too, same way. Okay, so all the way in. After that, put back the shocks. Push it a little bit. Push it until it comes to the point. Push it. It's all good. All done. Enjoy your AC, fresh air coming to you. Thank you for watching.